Okay, now theoretically, there is a trail that walks around the entire lake. And I say theoretically because this is the wilderness, and sometimes trails get swallowed by it if the lake here rises, or doesn't, for that matter. The terrain it doesn't really change. It just gets more or less interesting throughout the seasons. And this is where a lot of fishermen that don't have boats will hang out over here and do fisherman stuff. And you can kind of tell this trail has been used quite a bit. It's kind of distinctly here, but I don't think it's official. Kind of looking for snakes. I'd rather not be bitten by a snake. Although, if I can provide a creature a meal, then who am I to complain? It is lovely out here. It's a lovely day. Yes, it's lovely. Is this a good fishing spot? Maybe over there a little bit more. I'm out wandering again. This is Lake Stevens, although it's spelled Stevens with a PH. So technically it's Stephens, but everybody calls it Stevens. Confuses me. Well, who is it that the writer guy, Stephen King, spells the name with a PH? So technically it's Stephen King, although that's not even his real name, it's just his pen name. So there's that. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about the whole Stephen, PH or V, the whole controversy, if it is a controversy. It's fascinating to me the way the English language can have, it can just let things like that happen. It's probably the least anal retentive language on earth, because you can do things like that and people understand you, which is fascinating to me. Of course, I'm a big nerd, so why wouldn't it be fascinating to me? I'm very easily amused. Anyway, kind of an incline here. Looks like, was that a fire at one point? I don't know. Sun is glaring because the sun is in that direction, and that's why this shot looks terrible. See, the sun is not in that direction, which is why that shot looks better. I'm not going to keep going that way. I don't think so. I just kind of wanted to wander around a little bit. You ever have one of those days when you just feel like wandering around a bit? So you do. It's kind of where I'm at. Hey, that's another thing you could put in the comment section below. Your feelings about wandering. This is dirt. There's nothing here to hold on to. This might not end well. Okay. Leaning on a tree. All right. Well, it actually worked out. And I'm pointing the camera as I'm talking towards the sun. which means this footage is probably going to be interesting. I guess it doesn't matter in a blog. I mean, if I was like trying to impress people, I'd come out in the morning when the sun's behind me and walk in this direction. So this would look lovely. But it really doesn't. Well, I guess it looks lovely. I don't know. Loveliness is, I don't know, it kind of depends on the person. But, anyway, well, gee, fellers, I've run out of stuff to talk about. So, I'm going to go ahead and end it here. Thanks for watching. If you like this sort of nonsense, please leave a like. If you did not like this video, please leave a dislike. Thank you for watching either way, and you have a wonderful day. I'll see you all on the flip side. I like saying that, but I digress. I am out.
Yeah. I'm coming home.